Hello viewers, are you experiencing with the problem iPhone Wi-Fi loading but not connecting problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. Actually, this problem is happening after iOS 26 update. To fix this problem, first of all, turn off Wi-Fi router and turn on again, and then just go to settings. Now click on Wi-Fi option. Now click on connected Wi-Fi. From here, copy your Wi-Fi password. Now forget your Wi-Fi password and then reconnect your Wi-Fi. Sometimes these little things can solve your problem. After this step your problem is still not resolved, then follow next step. Now scroll down, click on general. Now scroll down again and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset. Now click on reset network settings. Now enter your phone passcode and then click on reset network settings. If this does not help, please go with reset all settings. After this step, I hope your problem solved successfully. If still problem not resolved, then contact with internet service provider. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.